The guides a tiny bit and the interface and how it's been for you, and this thing people love. Like, not everyone knows about, you know, how to rig stuff.
So this is the main station that the screen printers are both going to stand at. You're going to have a loader at the one spot, which is going to be right here, and at the loading spot it's cool because the ROQ comes with these guides, and they're laser guides. So with the laser guides, it makes it nice that you're not trying to find a Sharpie mark that you saw before. You're actually able to take a shirt, and when you pull the shirt on there, on the back print, you're able to line up exactly right where it should go. So it centers it and also tells you right where the line should be for your collar. The system is all ran through right here on the monitor. So the monitor gives you the ability to touch everything and turn on the flashes, turn on each station, and run first and last pieces, which is cool. Also, with our system, we added an iPad above it, and on the iPad we use Printavo. Printavo is a system we've used for like 3 years now. It's the same as the ROQ. On Printavo, it gives you each thing that you're printing, so it will tell you and show you all the proofs of each job. So as the job comes around on this green shirt, you're able to start seeing what the print's gonna look like up close, so you're not gonna be worried about missing something.
Well, there's a lot of information to keep track of and a lot of steps along the way, so having a system like Printavo is gonna really help with that and help you keep in touch with your customers as well.
Exactly.
Awesome.
So we can show the press will move, and as the press is going, this guy's going to be loading from this spot and then this spot over here.
So what we're doing right now is warming up the platens, and then we're going to run a one color upper back print. It's going to be 2 layers of gold. So sit back, enjoy.
Cool, so during the warm-up process, your press will be in suspend, which allows it to not print anything. You're gonna wanna switch it to first piece once your number 1 board gets here. And once you hit start on this, it's gonna go and print this as its first option. So we'll load it, hit start. Good thing to check out is that on Printavo we have the option to do that. So on the ROQ, midway when you're working on it, it's hard to get access under here, but it's cool that it lifts up, so you're able to pop it up. We saw that there might be one minor pinhole, so we're gonna take a look. If you look down here, you're able to see the whole screen of what it looks like, and tape off what we need. Press can lower back down. Each one has its own control unit on the end of the ROQ, so this gives us the ability that we already have a shirt loaded ready to go. We can hit start from here if we'd like, and the press will start right back up where it was. This system here is set up the same as the ROQ is set up. So it's all calibrated correctly so that when a job comes in, you're here, same air actuators on the back, it clamps it in, and you're able to line up and move your laser marks for each job. The cool part is once you set that, this screen comes off, the next screen can go on, and it's going to be in the same exact position as it was. So
Jared, thank you so much for having us here and showing us your press and showing us your process and telling us about your business. If any of you guys are interested in information on ROQ automatic presses or financing or anything to do with going auto, please get in touch with us at NorCalSPS.com is our website, NorCalSPS.com, or you can call us at 916-534-8337. If anyone out there is interested in getting clothing printed, you can reach Jared at jg.graphics as well.
Cool. Thanks, buddy.
Yeah,
appreciate it.
Thank you.